My name's Devon Nelson. I'm one of the owners and medical director. I'm a nurse practitioner, and we're in Lone Tree, Colorado. And our clinic name is Big Life Integrative Health and Regenerative Aesthetics. So we kind of have more of that functional medicine, direct primary care side, along with the regenerative aesthetics.
So for Big Life Integrative Health, I'm one of the owners. Devon's another owner. We have two other partners, but ultimately I'm more on the business side. Devon's really on the clinical side. And I think one of the things that our overall mission is just that we think we as people are meant to live big lives of purpose and impact. And part of that is feeling well. And that certainly includes how people feel about how they look and feel and present themselves to the world. Our practice really started with primary care and functional medicine, which is really sort of this root cause, natural, regenerative approach to the human body and the human experience. And we decided to go into aesthetics because so many of our patients had come to trust us with all of their other medical care. It made sense to then kind of branch out into this. But we went to our first conference. Devon actually wasn't there. And it was Botox, filler, and just all of these instruments that can be useful, and started to hear about how we could restore from within. But we've only been in business, 2.5 years? And so for us, we went, let's do this the right way. So we're kind of amp geeks, I guess, and we've got pretty much every instrument under the sun. And we've really kind of started from the ground up with amp specifically because we believe in their approach to dermal health.
And educating, just the importance of educating patients regarding the importance of dermal health, longevity, just what your skin does as it ages, so that we can kind of prevent that and help keep you younger longer. I have a lot of patients where they come to us for that more integrative, that more natural approach. And for me to tell them, wow, we have so many other options besides fillers, they're like so excited, right? Because they're like, whoa, could regenerate, make the skin glow, and provide some volume. Like, what a gift, right? Without it sticking around for years and years and then potentially migrating. So it's a really, really great tool that we use for a lot of our patients in combination with some of our other therapies. So we could really improve the overall skin health and build collagen and elastin and volume.
I think it was one of the first things we tried ourselves too, and just the difference in glow and luminosity was pretty incredible. There are lots of other modalities we've used since, but I think that was one of my biggest bang for the buck when we were first starting and just kind of testing and experimenting ourselves. These are the different layers of the dermis that each sort of attacks, and really was able to, I think in the most comprehensive way of any of the companies we talked with, kind of help us understand how this was really a process and a journey toward dermal health and how each instrument really played a key role in that. And then it's been such a blessing because, again, we're only 2.5 years old to have all of the additional support